Hi viewers, welcome to Sujata Math Solutions. Today's second episode, class 6th chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Okay, already first session we learned Indian system of numeration. Second one is international system of numerations. So now let us learn about this international system of numeration. Okay, once revise this Indian system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration we have 4 periods: ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Okay, ones period means ones, tens, 100. Thousands period means 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 1000, 10,000. Lakhs period means 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Crores period means 1 crore and 10 crore. Okay, this is Indian system. Now coming to international system, mainly concentration on this international system. In international system we have 3 periods: ones period, thousands period, millions period. Okay, ones period means ones, tens, 100. Thousands period means 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next, millions period means 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. This is periods and places in international system of numeration. Now arrange the numbers in places: 2, 7, 5, 9, 2, 3, 7, 8, 4 and 2. See, observe here each number having each place. See, 2 is 100 millions, 7 is 10 millions, 9 is 1 million, 2 is 100 million, 100,000, 3 is 10,000, 7, 1,000, likewise all the numbers. Okay, rewrite this number: 2, 7, 9, 2, 3, 7, 8, 4, 2. Observe here it has 9 digits are there. Without commas we can't read. So we have to use commas. In international system of numeration we use commas right, left and forever 3 digits. Okay. In Indian system of numeration 2, 3, 7, 8, 4, 2. In Indian system of numeration, first comma, first 3 digits and forever 2 digits. This is the way of Indian and international system of numeration, use of commas, right? So now comparison of Indian and international systems both. See, in Indian system of numeration, observe here 10,000. International also up to 10,000. Up to 10,000 Indian and international systems both are same. After that will change. See, what will change? Here 1 lakh equal to, in international system, 100,000. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 1 crore equal to 10 millions. 10 crore equal to 100 millions. See, right here 10 crores equal to 100 millions. Now, next 1 crore equal to 10 millions. Next 10 lakh equal to, see, observe here, 10 lakh equal to 1 million. And 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. This is the difference. See, up to 10,000 both are same. After that will change. Here 10,000 equal to 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakhs equal to 1 million. 1 crore equal to 10 millions. 10 crore equal to 100 millions. So now coming to next topic is ascending and descending orders and descending order. Now ascending order. Ascending and descending orders. See, ascending order of digits means what? Ascending order means arrange the numbers lowest to highest is called ascending order. Lowest to highest means small to big. Small to big. You have to arrange the numbers in ascending order means small to big. So let us write number 2, 3, 8, 7, 4, 7, 2, 8, 4, 5, 7 and 1, 2, 8, 7. See, observe in this group each number having here 4 digits, 4 digits, 4 digits and 3 digits. Okay, so already comparison of numbers, already we have to remember 3 points. What are they? Less number of digit is the smallest number. Less number of digit means here all numbers, here 3 numbers are having 4 digits, here is 3 digits. So obviously less number of digit is small, you know. So 472. And next one, compare these remaining 3 numbers, which is the smallest number in thousands place. Compare leftmost place, here 2, 8000 and 1000. Compare in these, see, let us write 281, which is the smallest number in this. 1 is the smallest number, you know, so that 1287. And coming to next, this is over, and next one, 2 is the next smallest number, 2387. And obviously but last one is 8457. This is the ascending order of numbers. Next one is descending order. Descending order means arrange the numbers from highest to lowest is called descending order. Highest to lowest means arrange the numbers in big to small. Okay, so let us write any number. 92478378 23587892. See, observe here. Here is in this group, here 3 digit number, 5 digit number, 4 digit number and 4 digit number. So descending order means you have to arrange the numbers from big to small. So compare this, more number of digit is the greatest, you know. So here 5 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 4 digits. So obviously 5 digit is greatest number, you know, 83,789. And next compare these remaining 2 numbers, which is the greatest. Here 3 digits means let it be. Next compare these 2 numbers, which is the greatest in this. So what are the leftmost places? Here 2000, here is 7000. Which is the greatest number? 7 is the greatest number. Okay, so 7892. And next one is 2358. But last one is 247. This is the descending order of these numbers. Now coming to next one is formation of greatest and smallest numbers. Formation of greatest and smallest numbers. Smallest number from the given digits. Okay, so what we have to arrange the write the greatest and smallest number with the given digits. So now here given digits are 7, 2, 9, 8, 7, 3. Already 2 came, no? 3. So these are the individual digits. Now we have to form greatest and smallest number. First, to build the greatest number means we have to arrange the numbers from descending order. Descending order means we have to arrange greatest to lowest. So that greatest number, first we have to arrange greatest number. Greatest number means arrange the digits in descending order. Descending order of digits are greatest number first. So compare this, which is the greatest number in this. So 9 is the greatest number, and next one is 8, 7. Next compare this 2 and 3. 3 is next 2. This is the greatest number. Okay. Next one, smallest number. Smallest number means arrange the digits in ascending order. Ascending order means we have to arrange the digits in small to big. So the ascending order of digits are, see, compare this, which is the smallest number. 2 is the smallest, and next one is 3, next 7, 8 and 9. This is the ascending order of these digits. So now you can form many numbers using these digits. Okay, this is the formation of greatest and smallest number. And one more I think left over, expanded forms. Expanded form. Okay, now expanded form. Expanded form means first let us write number 9, 2, 7, 8, 3, 4, 9, 2. Okay, so it has how many digits? 8 digits are there. First, when you are writing expanded form, first you have to mark the commas and write the places on the number. So first, in Indian system of numeration, we use comma, first 3 digits, and for every 2 digits. And at the same time, you have to write the places also. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakh, and crores, up to crores number. Okay, so now expand the form. 9 is 1 crore,